Last video I created was on a golf course, and now this video is on a golf course. I'm at Deer Run Golf Course in Blenheim, Ontario, and I'm meeting with my sister. And I'm going to put a link to a video right here about my sister Noelle. She has a brain disability, an acquired brain injury, and basically many of my videos are dedicated to her. And so when we get together, it can be a challenge because we're so different. I'm as fast as you'll go and she's as slow as you'll go. So that's good for both of us. But the point of this in this moment, the first thing I said to her was, let it be good. And I'm saying the same thing to you. Let it be good. It doesn't matter what's happening in your life. And as I said to her, it doesn't matter what's happening in your life, Noelle. In this moment, we're together. Let's have fun. And that will give us the joy, the energy, you know, the connection, the mindfulness, the presence that will make everything bad melt into the background. So wherever you are, may you be focusing on what's right and let it expand into all the parts that aren't working today. You'll be surprised at how much wonderful there is in your life. Have an awesome night.